Hi guys, welcome to bestsublimation.tv. I'm Alex. Today I want to introduce to you guys some sublimation kitchen items, and we just launched some pot holders. We have multiple styles here for you guys to choose. This is a square pot holder, and this is a rectangular one. And we also have this long double pot holder for you to choose. They are all made of the same black grid cotton fabric and with cotton soft inside, and this square one has a rubber bottom, so you will know they have the great insulation effect to protect you from the heat. And also they all have the white pockets to put your hand in, and then you can grab the hot pot. And the pocket is also for sublimation printing. You can use any heat press machine to add some designs on the pot holders. And here we also have a sublimation oven glove. The palm is rubber made, and the back side and the cuff part are made of polyester for sublimation printing, so you have very large blank areas to print your designs. And here you can see the glove has this soft fur lining inside, so it's very comfortable to wear. And also the glove and the 3 pot holders, they all have a little hanging loop, so you can hang them on your shelf to keep them handy, and they can also be the personalized decorations to decorate your kitchen. Now I want to show you guys another sublimation kitchen item, the oil dispenser, and you may choose from 25 ounce and 17 ounce, and the white and the silver colors. They are all made of stainless steel, so they are very easy to wash, rust proof and shatterproof. And the pour spout makes it much easier to control the oil flow, and it has a lid to keep the spout clean from the dust. And for sublimation printing, you can use the mark press or a tumbler heat press to print the straight part of the bottle, and then you can use it to decorate your kitchen counter. We have also launched some sublimation aprons, and these are the ones with pockets. They are available in kid size and adult size, and black and white colors. The black aprons have the white pockets for image printing, and you can also add some heat transfer vinyl designs on the black area, while the white aprons can be fully printed, so you can print your designs everywhere on the white aprons. And we also have some sublimation waist aprons. They are available in 2 styles, 2 colors, black and white, and adult size only. This one I'm wearing has a very large pocket, so I can put many things in the apron, and I can reach the things inside through these 2 holes near my hands. And we also have a full white one here. And here is another style of the waist apron. You can also choose from black and full white aprons, and they each has 3 pockets to put things. And just like the long aprons, the black waist aprons have the pockets for sublimation printing, and the full white waist aprons are fully printable. Next, I'm going to show you how to print 1 apron, 1 pot holder, and 1 oil dispenser, so please keep watching.